Hi, this is Christine, and I'm going to do an extension video to number 6. So what I'm going to be doing is going through 3 problems, focusing on sine and cosine curves, and graphing them along with you. So our basic equation is y equals a sine or cosine, then bx minus c, and then plus d. So we could factor out the b in this part of the equation and get b times x minus c over b plus d. So from here we can find the amplitude, period, phase shifts or shifts on the x-axis and y-axis. So our amplitude is a, and then our period is 2 pi over b. Then we have a shift to the right of c over b. And if this were to be a plus, that would be a shift to the left. Then we finally have a phase shift of d units up. And if this was a minus d, then it would be d down. Okay, so our first question is y equals -4 sine 2x minus pi over 3. We're going to do the same thing as we did before when we factored out the b. So we're going to factor out the 2 in this part of the equation, and then if we do that, we get 2 then x minus pi over 6. So we're going to find the amplitude, which is right here, it's just 4, and the period is 2 pi over 2, which is just pi, and we have a shift to the right of pi over 6 units. And then we also have a horizontal reflection. So if we put this all onto a graph, then we have this. So it's from 4 to -4, and then we have a shift to pi over 6, so we're going to start from pi over 6. And then our period is pi, so that brings us to 7 pi over 6. And then we finally have a horizontal reflection. So our regular sine curve would be like that, but because we have a horizontal reflection, it would be like this. Okay. So our final curve would be something like that. That's one period of the sine curve. Next question. Y equals secant of 2x minus pi over 4 plus 2. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to factor out the 2, and then we get 2 times x minus pi over 8 plus 2. Okay, so our amplitude is just 1, and we have a phase shift of 2 units up, and our period is 2 pi over 2, so that's just pi. Then we have a shift to the right, this is minus, of pi over 8 units. So if we put this all onto the graph, then so we have phase shift of 2 up. That means we're going to be starting from 2, and then we go up 1 because our amplitude is 1. So that will bring us to 3. Then we go down 1. Then we have a shift to the right of pi over 8, so we're going to start from pi over 8. And then our period is pi, so if we add pi to pi over 8, that will bring us to 7 pi over 8. 9 pi over 8. And then our secant curve. So we could draw the secant curve from the cosine curve, which is um, this. This is one period of the cosine curve. So that would make the cosine curve look like that. And then because it's a secant curve, we have to draw the so the blue lines is the final graph for this equation. Then our final equation is y equals 5 cosine negative x plus pi over 3 plus 3. So we're going to do the same thing and factor out the negative 1. And if we do that, we get y equals 5 cosine of negative 1 times x minus pi over 3 plus 3. But we know that cosine is an even function. So what that means is if we have y equals cosine of negative x, because it's even, it just becomes y equals cosine of x. So we can completely ignore this and just write y equals 5 cosine x minus pi over 3. And since we went over this, I'm just going to say that y equals sine of negative x equals y equals negative sine of x, because sine is an odd function. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing and find the amplitude, phase shift on the x, and the period. So our amplitude is 5, our phase shift is 3 up, our period is 2 pi over just 1, so it's just 2 pi. Then we have a shift to the right of pi over 3. Okay, so let's put this on the graph. Okay, so we have a phase shift of 3 up, so we're going to start from 3, right around there, and then our amplitude is 5. So we go up 5 units, so that's 8, and then we go down 5 units, so that's negative 2. I'm just going to redraw this because that's not very easy. 8 and negative 2. Okay, so we have a phase shift to the right of pi over 3, so we're going to start from pi over 3, and then our period is 2 pi, so pi over 3 plus 2 pi is 7 pi over 3, so our one whole period is from pi over 3 to 7 pi over 3. Okay, so we could just draw the cosine curve now, and that's just this. So the orange line is one period of the graph of y equals 5 cosine negative x plus pi over 3 plus 3. And that is the last equation of this video.